claims to be Nomeva's son and demands her ancestral bag. And Songaga proved that he really is indeed Nomeva's son. Jackson continues to sabotage Usakhile, and his sister thinks being a counselor has changed him. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. So Unguga came to see Thandiswa Roy, claiming that he is Nomeva's son, but they don't believe him, saying, hi, how come Umam Nomeva didn't have a son, didn't have a child? That's why he left his things to us because being an amtwana. Unguga explained everything that happened, saying Umam Nomeva gave birth to him and left him, abandoned him. They can't believe it, but he says that he is his son and he wants the ancestral bag because traditionally if a Sangoma dies, then the ancestral bag must go to their biological child. So Leroy and Thandiswa, they're confused, saying if Unguga gets his hands on this bag, he's going to do evil things with the bag. What are we going to do? Should we give him the bag? Since then Thandiswa's like, nope. Unguga keeps on coming, demanding to get the bag, but Leroy ends up saying that if we prove that you are indeed Nomeva's son, there's no way that we can hold it, keep it from you, because so we first have to prove that you are Nomeva's son, not just a mere picture, because it proves nothing. So we need to first find out for real that you are indeed Nomeva's son, then you can have the bag. But I think Leroy is crazy. How can he make such promises? Unguga promises them, hey, if you don't give me that bag, nizobona kuzoyenzakalani kunina. Yo, akasamsaba umamiki, saying this guy that disappears and reappears, she wants nothing to do with him. And then now they have to go and find out, Unguga, is he really indeed Nomeva's son? They go to Songanga. Songanga phosa amathamba abone ukuthi ngempela Unguga is Nomeva's son. Yo, manje they're confused. Are we giving him the bag or not? Songanga, if you don't give him ancestral bag kaNomeva, then amadlozi abaphansi bazokwata, because it is his right. Yo, what are they going to do? Now Usakhile, Jackson continues to sabotage him in his councillor position because he wanted Umatha to win so they can continue looting money from the municipality. So now he's blocking him from attending meetings, lying to him, and not letting him fix the issue that the abahlali babhekane nayo. Apparently there's sewage burst. So now the whole place is a mess. People don't even have clean drinking water. Bafike abahlali to complain to Usakhile, saying ukuthi they need his help. Usakhile made a promise ukuthi izolungiswa lento, but Jackson is blocking him from fixing this whole thing. Agcina sethi maybe kuzolungiswa mhlambe next year. Either they're starting to lose faith in him. Jackson is trying by all means to make sure that people lose trust in me, and I see that it's already happening. Just in order to win this, you need to be smart. Play Jackson, beat him at his own game. Play data, find some data on him and expose him to the community so that they know what kind of person he is. And then Sisika Sakhile arrived Koptelezi, demanding that Upetshuna helps her get a job, or else umndeni umkwatele umcasukele nje awufuni lutho ngaye. Upetshuna went and asked Umatha to give Uthani umsebenzi, but Umatha refused, saying, do you remember what she did last time she was working here? I'm not giving that woman a job la. Usakhile is shocked. Why are you here begging Umatha to give Uthani umsebenzi? Athi Upetshuna is because she says umndeni umkwatele, so I'm trying to fix things. Usakhile ayikho leyo nto. I'm sure umndeni ayikho lento ekhuluma uThani. I'm going to call the family and find out. Usakhile phones the family, finds that uThani is lying. Usakhile calls her off, saying ucambelana manga wena busy asking my wife to find a job for you. Wacasuka uThani athi you're going to respect Upetshuna or else hamba la wakhe. Yo, wacasuka uThani athi uyazi ukukhansela ukushintshile, now you're kicking me out. Avela paka uThani and leaves. Now cabanga uvela paka wahamba. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.